So good morning, guys. So today is going to be a little bit of a special, hold on, overexposed, a special little thing because we're actually going on a little walk today, some waterfalls, doing some, hey,
What?
come, doing some cold water swimming. So we thought we'd make a vlog and bring you along, kind of like when we're traveling. We get up to these things when we're traveling. So we're doing it in England now. And I'm very excited. Obviously we're running late again because Ashley's not ready. But yeah, when he's ready, I shall update you. Ciao, ciao. Enjoying it so much.
Oh, she's struck up.
Is that a little bug on your face? You're beautiful girl. You're so hot. Yeah.
We thought that last Wednesday. I didn't actually. It was quite busy.
So we just got here. It's £8 each to get in, and it says it's 4.5 miles round trip. Let's go.
Jump down there.
I've
I
only
know this route.
Oh yeah, that's a really nice picture. I love that. Guys, this is what we need to do more often. Like, we do this all the time when we're traveling, but never in England. And England is actually very beautiful, good space for it. Like, you could easily be in the jungle in Thailand right now. It's like so nice. Guys, this is literally a tree of the dough. What? This is my tree. And every time I ching when it comes to me, ching ching goes another tree.
Something always left me there. You know, whenever I make plans, I always get a bit.
So this is just a money tree, and over the years people have just been putting coins into it. So sick. It looks so cool as well. I love shit like this, guys. I love it. Oh, here's another one starting to. Yes, as you can see, people have just poked the coins in. Literally so sick. It's like a school trip.
That looks like the dark hole. That looks like the dark hole.
Just getting some drone footage for y'all. What? So they said there's a little cafe halfway, and there's a little coffee, so we must be halfway. So we're just gonna have a little 5 minutes on the hill, a little relax. Oh yeah, we'll try and fly the drone now. Mabel brought the snack, so I'm just gonna have a potato. Okay, fab.
I could always do like some cool video.
Yeah, just get a bit of everything. I think I'm alright. Breakfast.
Stop pointing at us.
Ashley just hit his head with the drone while landing it.
That's how you met landing. Down there, I've given them our bag to carry. Yeah.
She's the one we're about to go and get a wet dip in, and then go and take a dunk. So we're going in, guys. I'm gonna just set you up somewhere.
Yeah.
That was so good. The last time we done cold water. Oh, babe. The last time we done cold water, it was in the winter, and it was like literally so cold. But now, like, the sun is shining. I feel alive. Like, the sun is warming me up. And thanks for Baba. My grandma got me this for Christmas, and it just works perfect. Yeah, you're a big I know.
You think it's funny?
Gum! Because I forgot that you bought Tivas. Because I forgot that you bought Tivas.
Don't try and make light of it, babe. Nash. These are cool, these.
Yeah, they're cool. Not very walking appropriate though, are they?
Are they not?
I don't know. Well, can you go in the waterfall in them?
I mean, you know what can I go on the waterfall?